You want to change your life. You want more money. You think that this money will either let you buy the things that you want or provide a blanket of safety and security for you and possibly your family. Maybe you want to feel like you're successful. You want to impress someone else. Whatever your reason being, whatever drives you in your research and maybe your social media and your friends has got you looking at Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. What really makes a successful cryptocurrency investor? Because I'm going to tell you right now, on average, it's not just luck. Hey, I'm Drew Vosk, but you can just call me Vosk. Here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. I started this channel to document what I call my crazy crypto journey. I was doing crazy things, buying mining rigs, buying crypto on credit cards, right? Bitcoin and other coins like Ethereum. I was laying it all on the line. I was stupidly bullish. I had hardly any capital. I had no investors. It was me just trying to scrape up bucks and make some gains. I started pretty close to zero financially, and nothing was handed to me, and I put it all on the line for better and worse. It led to a lot of hard times. It led to life-changing money, and then it led to losing life-changing money. The highs and lows at times were unbearable on, in a way, both sides of the spectrum. But this isn't a story about me. I just wanted to introduce myself real quick. This is a story about cryptocurrency investing and mindset. Anyone who blindly hates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies either doesn't understand it, already has a ton of money, or is just stupid as fuck. Really. I'm not here to pitch you crypto though, but I do want to tell you, don't ask for crypto and investing advice from people that aren't into cryptocurrency and probably aren't even investors. One of the most ironic things in everyone's life is you're going to lean on your friends, family, acquaintances, just anyone you even know, probably when you go into the unknown, and you start asking business advice from people that have never even ran a business. Why would you ask cryptocurrency advice from someone who's never spent 5 minutes researching it? That's the first takeaway. The odds of me and you getting rich overnight with the next cryptocurrency to launch, next meme coin, or even say Bitcoin, statistically you're going to lose. Cryptocurrency investing and trading and even mining in ways can come off like get rich quick scheme/vibes.
That's mine.
Ape. Are we debuting it?
It's really cool.
It happens. Of course it happens. There's also a lot of LARPing. That's people basically faking it. A lot of these anonymous accounts, especially like on Twitter, they're lying. They're exaggerating. They're doctoring screenshots. They're not posting their receipts. They're probably trading against you. Rule number 23. Never trust someone who won't show you their face, especially in the world of content creation, and even more so if they're basically a crypto influencer. Same with developers. I don't ride with anon projects because they can rug you with no accountability.
And now the mark. Oh! Oh! It went to zero!
What if I launch a coin and I betray you? You know what I look like. You get over 1,000 videos of me and places I have been, people I know. I've met people in person, friends in the space. You'll find me. I can't run and hide, but they can. That lack of potential accountability will forever give them an evil option. Look, they say we got free speech. We got a little bit of it. I can't give you financial advice. I've got to say that stuff, right? But I can talk about this stuff, and I can talk about what I've done, what works for me. And the most money I've made in cryptocurrency is staying the course. I've made great gains over years. Of course, I've made good trades. But you know what no one ever wants to talk about? The bad trades. I've made bad trades too. There have been days that, either due to market price fluctuations and my exposure from how much of my net worth is in crypto and in these cryptocurrencies, right, point of view, that the swings in the market or making a bad move or getting rugged or a couple bad trades have brought me so low, right, that I'm sitting there, I want to kill myself, right? And that is how difficult and trying this stuff is. And if they're trying to kill me, just so you know, I'm not suicidal right now or moving forward. I bring that up as a tale of caution. Limit your exposure to whatever you can handle, and if you want to play all in, go for it. But understand, for every winner, there's a loser. There's probably multiple losers for every real winner. One of the biggest fallacies in the crypto sector is there's this like community buddy type across all these different coins and in these communities and stuff, but this is very much PvP. It's player versus player. A lot of these people are trying to outmaneuver you. The likelihood that you've developed a buddy versus someone who would happily dump on your head and secure riches for themselves, well, let's just say keep your own best interest in mind. But don't get it twisted. There's a lot of incredible people in the cryptocurrency space. But the bottom line, fluctuations, swings are huge, up and down. Round tripping is very much a thing, and it is one of the most mentally devastating things in the world. To make life-changing money and then lose it, and then sit there wondering, why didn't I just cash out? Well, you didn't because you weren't paying attention, or you were greedy, or whatever the reason is. You didn't because you didn't, and you can't go back and change it. What are you going to do from here? Honestly, I don't give a shit about the past other than studying it. It's all about the future. What's next? Playing the long game. Consistently one of the best strategies for me. I talk a lot about deploying capital, learning more to earn more, right? Chasing cryptocurrency airdrops. I've earned well over $100,000 in free crypto airdrops. That's wild. Why? Because I put the time in, I put the effort in. It wasn't luck, it was effort. I mine cryptocurrencies. I turn my electricity into passive income. I DCA, dollar cost average, into cryptocurrencies every single day through my miners. Otherwise, I would just be doing it automatically on exchanges. I literally buy crypto all day, every single day, for years. And I bust my ass to be able to have the funds to keep doing that without selling the coin. Because there's key take profit opportunities. They're called cryptocurrency bull runs, and they're somewhere around all-time high on coin prices. Nothing's guaranteed, but I'm not looking for 2x in crypto, okay? If I want a 2x, I'll go buy Walmart stock or something that won't keep me up at night. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin are a lot more established than they've ever been. But that doesn't mean we still don't see coins go to zero. That doesn't mean that we still don't see 1,000% increases in a day. The best cryptocurrency traders in history are two types. Those with great conviction, buying something, believing in it, and holding it for a long time. And also those that are lazy and forgetful, that buy positions and kind of forget about it and come back, and it's very much increased. You compare that to the guy who wants to be the next high-speed trader. Congratulations, you just traded yourself into poverty. Chasing fads, chasing hype, getting FOMO. If you have a bunch of good buys and positions and then you double your position, right, at the new all-time high price, you could potentially piss away all of your gains. That's FOMO. That's greed. Sure, it could keep running, and congratulations, you made more. But just remember, a lot of people who bought the absolute top of Bitcoin in 2021 had to wait until 2024 just to break even. Are you ready to let it ride for 3 years? There's of course other things you could do, but just something to think about. If you're trying to change your life with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies just like me, then subscribe, because we make new crypto content every day. I've been working on my mining farm for years. That's been going well. I'm going to continue to document that build and that journey as well. And we run 10 seconds of tails on every video. Again, hey, I'm Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Let's get after it.